Excel Workbook and Use of English, Grade 5, Models 8, d.e.f. Exercises from 1 to 4, page 64. Exercise 1. Fill in. The Australian Open is a very famous tennis competition. It takes place in Melbourne, Australia, every year in January. It's very hot there, so players and visitors all wear sunscreen and hats to stay safe in the sun. All the best players in the world go to the Australian Open. The matches are very exciting. You can stay all day and even have lunch at a restaurant or buy a takeaway picnic to eat outside. There are also coffee shops around the court, so visitors can enjoy a drink when they are not watching the tennis. Exercise 2. Look at the pictures and fill in the gaps with must, mustn't. The first, you must use your hands to show where you want to go. The second, you mustn't ride your bike here. The third, you must wear a helmet. The fourth, you must have lights on your bike when you ride at night. The fifth, you mustn't ride your bike when the light is red. The sixth, you must take water with you on a long bike ride. Exercise 3. Rewrite the sentences using must, mustn't as in the example. The first, don't eat before swimming. You mustn't eat before swimming. The second, wear trainers when you go running. You must wear trainers when you go running. The third, don't kick the ball in the basketball. You mustn't kick the ball in the basketball. The fifth, don't dive into the pool. You must dive into the pool. The fifth, drink lots of water when you do sports. You must drink lots of water when you do sports. The sixth, bring your gloves to boxing practice. You must bring your gloves to boxing practice. Exercise 4. Complete the dialogue. Hi Sam. Hello Tony. Have you got any plans for Friday afternoon? I've got a karate class after school. Why? There is a boxing match at the stadium. Do you want to come with me? When is it? It starts at 7:30. Okay, I can meet you outside at 7:15. See you then.